Let's learn more words that start with letter C. C for clown. C, clown. C for car. C, car. C for candy. C, candy. C for cake. C, cake. C for carrot. C, carrot. C for cow. C, cow. C for clock. C, clock. C for coat. C, coat. C for calf. C, calf. C for crab. C, crab. C for coin. C, coin. C for calculator. C, calculator. Thank you for joining our adventure in words that starts with C. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to subscribe for more educational fun. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in our next exciting adventure. Thanks again, and happy learning!